It is one thing to show up unprepared for court, but it is another to show up mid-crime on a Zoom call with the judge. I take body cam videos and I show you the good parts and I find out what happens after the video ends. Now, this story is courtesy of Law and Crime Network, but you can find this video anywhere because it went so viral. The link to the video that I use, though, is in the video description. Now, this is one of my favorite cam videos because it's just, well, it's just absolutely absurd. This is a story about a man named Corey Harris. He lives in Michigan, and he's in front of one of my favorite internet judges, Judge Cedric Simpson. In May 2024, during a Zoom court appearance for the suspended license charge that he had, Harris joined from, just watch.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for Mr. Harris, who should be present via Zoom.
Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually. So just give me 1 second. I'm
Dude,
parking right
you're in
now.
court. So rude. You're lucky that he's such a cool judge. He's being all patient.
Stationary?
I'm pulling in right now at this second. Yes, I am.
All right. What are we doing?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjournment in this matter, up possibly 2 to 4 weeks if the court would allow.
That's a long time.
Okay. So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended,
That is correct, Your Honor.
and he was just driving, and he didn't have a license.
As with the charges, Your Honor, yes.
No, I'm looking at his
Yes.
record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
I really wish at this point we could actually see a close-up of the lawyer because I bet you could totally see her soul just leave her body. And then now we're going to sit here for a little while in an awkward silence.
Hello?
1 minute, Mr. Harris.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's bond is revoked in this matter. Defendant is to turn himself into the Washtenaw County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant with no bond.
All right, so that's where the video ends. What happened next? I have so many questions. Did he show up at the jail or did he get a warrant? Did anyone in his life ever just say, hey, Corey, maybe just don't? And how do you make this kind of mistake? It flabbergasts me. It's like this is not an oversight. This is a lifestyle choice. So they show the arrest. I show the aftermath. Let's rock. It turns out that he did turn himself in that evening and he spent 2 days in jail before he was released. Now here's a twist that the internet missed. Harris didn't just have a suspended license. He never had a Michigan driver's license. Ever at all. It was non-existent. There is no record of the Secretary of State ever issuing Corey Harris an operator's license number. He had state IDs, but that's not a license. Then things got weird. In 2007, the state had suspended his driving privileges because of a failure to pay child support. Now, that just blocks your legal right to drive or apply for a driver's license. But in Corey's case, there was nothing to take because he had never had a license. Ever. So when he drove anyway, every traffic stop was treated as if he'd been caught driving on a suspended license because legally it's the same violation. So here's the timeline. I broke it down for you. 2007, his privileges were suspended because of the child support non-payment issue. 2010, the court renews and extends that suspension. In 2022, the judge lifts it, but clearance was never sent to the Secretary of State. So from what I could figure out, it was because he was supposed to pay a fine, but that's a little bit murky. October 2023, he gets stopped driving on expired plates and no license because it's still marked as suspended. In May 2024, he appears on the Zoom court while driving, which triggered this viral clip. Now, in June 2024, he gets a learner's permit. Yay! His first one. July 8th of 2024, he finally obtains his first actual license. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. How do you get to be your age and just not have a license? I don't understand. August of 2024, the case was downgraded to a civil infraction and all of his fines and costs were waived. So technically, yes, there was a possible clerical failure, but you can't reinstate what you never had. So the case flips the narrative. It's not just that he drove when suspended, it's he drove when he never had a legal driver's license ever to begin with. Corey Harris became a masterclass in overconfidence and underdocumentation. Now, I did a bit more research because I was curious, and it turns out that even without a license, you can buy a car, register it, and get insurance for it. The only thing illegal about it all is driving it. Weird, right? So in the end, he did clean everything up. He got his first real license. He downgraded the charge, and he walked out without the misdemeanor. But that clip will be forever. Closure achieved. You're welcome. See you later.